Now we'll move on to the Activities button on your main menu. The Activity menu gives you access to other reports, such as risk management, driver congregations, time card reports, IFTA reporting, accident and log data, and the hours of service reports. All reports are run the same way from their respective windows. The speed profile will give you a visual representation of a specific vehicle and how fast they were going compared to the estimated speed limit or posted road speed. When you click on the report that you want, you'll be presented with an options window to make the selections appropriate to that report. You can select from the default date ranges or set a custom date range, and in some cases you can also select sub-periods. Complete the selections on the page, click the Apply Changes button, and the report will be displayed. You'll also have that report button up at the top of the page to download or print reports, as we discussed before.